Let's have a look on how to use the Google Finance currency function. I prepared a template for my currency rates. As you can see here, I've defined a base currency, British pound, and with this base currency, I get all the foreign exchange rates, for example, the euro or the US dollar and so on. So I'm using the Google Finance function in here, and I will show you how to use it for yourself by starting a fresh new sheet and now reselecting the cell where we want to have the result, the conversion result, and this is where we enter the formula, starting with the equal sign. After the equal sign, type Google Finance in capital letters. It's the function we'll use for the currency conversion. After typing, open a pair of parentheses by this. Inside the parentheses, you need to specify the currency pair you want to convert. For example, if you want to convert from US dollar to euros, you would type in US dollar in double quotation marks, followed by a comma, and then the euro in a double quotation marks. Should look like this. Currency, USD, euro, and then after entering the currency pair, close the parenthesis by typing this one, and finally press the enter, and Google Sheets will calculate and display the currency exchange rate for the specified currency pair in the cell you selected. Remember that the exchange rates can change frequently, so the result will update automatically in Google Sheets whenever you open the file or when there's a change in the exchange rate data from Google Finance. That's it. You've successfully used Google Finance function in Google Sheets to convert one currency to another. If you have any questions, just drop me a question. I will try to answer you and hope I will see you soon. Bye bye.